Hi everyone, welcome to Farzine's Tech Tips. If you need to sign a PDF but don't want to deal with printing and scanning, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to electronically sign a document using an actual image of your handwritten signature. We're going to use the free Adobe Acrobat Reader app for this. Before we start, make sure you have a photo of your signature saved on your desktop. If you haven't done that yet, just sign a piece of white paper, take a picture with your phone, and email it to yourself. First, let's get the app. Go to your Start menu and open up Microsoft Store. In the search bar at the top, type in Adobe Acrobat Reader. You might see a few options, but you want the free version, which usually has the red icon. As you can see on my end, it's already installed and gives me the open option. But if you don't have it installed, it'll show up, you'll have a click button here. It might take a minute or two to download. Once finished, go ahead and open the Launch app. Step 2. Okay, so we have the app open and I've loaded up my document. Now look at the menu on the left side. You're looking for a tool called Fill and Sign. There it is, Fill and Sign. It usually has an icon that looks like a purple pencil. If you don't see it here, you can also click on the sign icon on the toolbar and the option appears. So on our end here, we are going to start by importing the signature. So as we've clicked e-sign, we're going to add a signature here. This opens a window with three choices: type, draw, and image. We want to use your real signature, so click on the image. Now we're going to navigate to our desktop, which we're here already, and select the signature. We're going to open it. Adobe will automatically import it and clean up the background for you. Once it looks good, you can click apply. Where to place and save the signature. Now you can move your mouse cursor with your signature. So I'm going to move it just onto the signature line here and click on it once to stamp it down. You can use the little blue handle to resize it so that it fits perfectly on the line. Yes, this looks good. And you're done. You now have a signed document. Just remember to go to File and Save As to save your signed copy. You can also save a certified copy of it, which would have an audit trail. So we're going to save it as a certified copy here and save it on the desktop as signed file. I hope this tool was helpful. Thank you.